Hey there, happy day 1029. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Put on some snowflakes, and again, I don't know why, but on this particular video, every time I hit record, my face goes giant, and I can't even lean back far enough to not have my face be giant. So I'm knocking things off my wall. You just have to see me in a giant face. Hopefully you're listening to the podcast and you're not seeing my face at all. Now, I picked snowflakes today because it's actually snowing outside. It's beautiful in Wisconsin. A little cold, little overcast. That's because it's snowing. It's snowing and it's going to be a beautiful day. It looks so pretty. You look outside and you see these snow-covered trees. I love it. So today, what am I up to? What am I doing as I transition from the offline brick and mortar world, the real world of business, to the online world of business? Of course, doing my daily content. I do daily content. People give me a hard time about it, and they're like, very judgmental, like, why do you go online every day? Why do you do daily videos? Da 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 da. Well, I've done it for a while, but I've especially kept it going during COVID-19. Why? Because I committed to myself that I want to get up and go every day and keep moving forward, no matter what's going on in my life, no matter what's going on around me. And I've had a lot of challenges prior to COVID-19. And so COVID-19, to me, a lot of times it's felt like everybody else is just joining me doing a lot of the things that I've had to be doing for the last couple of years because of other things that have happened and other challenges I've had in my life. Now, it's not an excuse, it's just a statement of this is what is and this is what we've done to respond to it. Which leads me to our No Nonsense November topic today, which was focusing on solutions and the importance of focusing on solutions, what we can do, what we can impact, what is possible for us, not what is wrong, right? What are we creating now? We're creating what we want. If we're creating what we want, we're moving forward, and that requires thinking about being solution focused and taking action. Fun challenge today was about doing nothing. It was day, I think, 319 of our 365 day challenge to do one fun thing every day this year. And we just are supposed to do nothing today and then find out what happens when we pick a day to just do nothing. Sign me up. I'm all for that, especially on a snowy day. Now, I will probably do something. I'm going to ride my exercise bike because I'm not going to go for a walk in the snow. It looks like slippery snow. If it didn't look slippery, I might go for a walk, but live on a giant hill, so I'm not going to take that bullet. Last thing I need to do is fall in the snow. That would make COVID even worse. So that was fun challenge and No Nonsense November. Our supersize your business idiom today was jet set. Now, is it a stretch to think of jet set and how that impacts our business? Yes, because jet setters don't work. They don't probably have businesses. They just run around and party and fly around from party to party. Probably not so much during COVID-19. I have to believe that even jet setters have been impacted by COVID-19 and the ability, number one, the parties are canceled. Number two, the planes are canceled. Number three, it's not necessarily safe and smart to be traveling all over the world, globe-trotting and jet setting during a pandemic, because that's how things spread, at least according to the experts and scientists. But how do you tie that to business? Well, one of the major advantages of COVID-19 is it has supercharged people's movement and exponentially impacted and speeded up the process of people adopting new technology to do business so that they can continue to serve people and serve their customers. Technology, things like voice conferencing, video calls, remote events, Zoom events, all different technologies have been adapted in mass by people in order to continue to move forward in their lives when they're working from home and stuck from home. So to me, yeah, COVID's been a bad thing, but it's been a good thing in a lot of ways too, because it has taught business owners that they don't have to go to the huge expense of traveling all over the world in order to get things done. They can do it through the use of technology, through the internet, through remote conferencing and calling and team buildings and things like that. Is it the same as being there? No. But is it better than doing nothing? Absolutely. So it's actually, it is a good tie into business. Even though we're not jet setting, we're also not traveling all around the world to the expense that it was. I think what a lot of business owners are finding is that they can actually do business with far less overhead than they were incurring prior to COVID-19. They're figuring out, okay, we've got all these big office buildings and we've got all these fancy things, but we really don't need, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% of them, because we can do business smarter. We can be smarter. We can do better. We can make the world a better place by not squandering and wasting resources on things that we don't actually need. Was also thinking about, and I'm going to get to work on the Challenge Summit. And I think that my personal challenge during the Get Up and Go Challenge for December is going to be to map out and lay out the Challenge Summit. Now, I'll teach through the different aspects and areas like I do, and I have been, the 7 areas of our life that we want to focus on and make sure that we're considering as we're going through any challenge or change. But I think my personal challenge is going to be to put together that summit and the different pieces of that summit that need to happen, because 30 days is plenty of time to do that. And I haven't started yet, and it's a holiday this week, so I want to enjoy Thanksgiving, even though we're not supposed to have Thanksgiving. I'm going to enjoy Thanksgiving at least with my kids, if possible. And that's it. That's what I'm working on. That's what I've got. If I can help you in any way, if you have any questions about anything that has anything to do with challenges or marketing or online business or offline businesses in different industries, go ahead and hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm going to be doing a do nothing day because I was challenged to have fun doing nothing today. Of course, I'm still going to do other things. I'm going to go post my videos and do the things I do every day, because those are commitments to myself that I've made that have nothing to do with anyone else. I think I started this talking about people giving me a hard time about daily content. It's just my way of sharing and contributing with the world, given the crazy times that we're living in right now. And some people have a problem with it, but they only have a problem with it because they're not doing it, right? People only have a problem and criticize and judge you for things that they think or wish they were doing that they're not doing. At least that's been my experience this year and in previous years as well. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.